Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is a Mazda MX5 Miata, but it's not any ordinary Miata. It's from the Hotwheels Legends 2, and I've been lucky enough to visit the Legend 2 once. So they have all kind of crazy cars there, custom cars you can take part, and if you win, your car is immortalized by Hot Wheels. That's what's happened here. So it's a 2025 release. Obviously, it's based on our Miata. So let's open it up. It seems like a really nice casting. And I'm gonna open it up. While I do that, can you hit subscribe and the bell icon, I guess? Thank you. So we have got the Miata out of its packaging. This one looks really good. And for mainline, Hot Wheels has done a great job, as I can see. Let's start from the front. Up front, you can see, first of all, you can see the different paint job. It looks really good. You've got some extra lamps there. Might be fog lamp, might be stop lamp, not stop lamp, spot lamps. It looks like a intercooler here. I'm not pretty sure. But then you've got a big body kit here. You can see flared wheel arches. You can see a big splitter up front. Also, the turn indicator look like vents there. Pop-up headlamps, always a cool thing. These do look like mirrors, like very 90s kind of style. Let's move to the driver's side. It's a right-hand drive car, so you can see on this one. Again, as I said, you can see the body kit here, bolted on flared wheel arches. These tires or wheels, I think we first saw it on the Alfa Romeo GTV 6. They had the chrome design on the side, but these ones are all black. Also, the roof seems to be a fixed roof rather than the convertible or soft top we have on the MX5. It looks very different. It has a very different design on it. Looks like an aerodynamic element. I'm not sure how much it works. Even the rear window, it looks like a vented one with vents. Also, you can see the trunk lid is very different. Turns out to be in a spoiler. Again, nice details here. A big bar. I think it reminds me of I don't know. I've seen like this on some sports car. Can't remember. But again, exhaust in the everything looks custom here because it's from the Legend 2. I don't know if any one of you have ever been, but they have like 3 different cars in there. Now, onto the passenger side, looks almost identical. I couldn't figure out where the fuel filler cap is on this car earlier, but now I see it. It's right here. Before that, I thought these might be fuel filler, but no. So overall, looks really good. Looks really nice, and for a mainline, Hot Wheels has done an amazing job on this one. Yeah, if you see my last video, the Riviera, I was talking about the same thing. Like, they did such a great job on few of the mainlines, and then on Riviera they said, we'll just release it like that. But yeah, this is a nice casting, and you won't want to miss it. It's really cool. I'll say good job on Hot Wheels. It's a lovely addition to my collection. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.